Hey everyone! Today, I'm taking you on a quick tour of something that's truly transforming the way people organize their lives. An aesthetic Notion dashboard that's not only incredibly functional but also stunning to look at. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered tasks and messy workflows, stick around. This might just be the game changer you need. Pause. Imagine having all your tasks, goals, and important info beautifully centralized in one sleek workspace. That's exactly what an aesthetic Notion dashboard offers. It's like having a personal command center that combines your to-do list, calendar, finances, habits, and projects, all in one easy-to-navigate interface. And the best part? It doesn't just work well, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Gesture with hands. Let's start with the design. This dashboard features customizable themes. Whether you prefer a calming light mode or a cozy dark aesthetic, it's all up to you. You can choose color schemes, add stylish icons, and even personalize layouts to match your vibe. It's not just about productivity, it's about creating a space you love to come back to every day. Pause. Now, onto the features. You'll see functional widgets like a clock, weather forecast, and upcoming calendar events, right on your homepage. These at-a-glance tools keep you informed without cluttering your space. And for managing your goals, there are progress bars for projects, trackers for habits, and sections dedicated to finances and study schedules. All integrated seamlessly, so you can stay on top of everything without jumping between apps. Gesture indicating multiple sections. What makes this dashboard even better? It's incredibly easy to customize. Want to add a page for your travel plans? Or maybe a motivational quote of the day? You can do that easily by adjusting templates or creating new pages that fit your specific needs. It's designed to be user-friendly but powerful enough to grow with you. Pause. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves organized beauty, an aesthetic Notion dashboard turns chaos into calm and clutter into clarity, while inspiring you to stay productive in style. Ready to craft your perfect workspace? Lean slightly forward, dive into the world of personalized productivity and create a dashboard that's really you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and give yourself the gift of a beautiful, functional workspace. Your smarter, more stylish life starts now. See you next time.